First, choose rectangular marquee. Select the area. Press Ctrl J. Then hold Ctrl and click on Layer. Press Alt and Delete. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object. Open the image. Then take a copy of your image. With Ctrl V, paste your image. Decrease the opacity. Set your image. Increase the opacity. Take a copy with Ctrl J. Then go to Select, choose Subject. Click on Add Layer Mask. With holding Alt, click between two layers. I hope you enjoyed this video.